Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. That's the way YouTube runs the platforms, by subscribers and likes. So if we don't have that, that doesn't help. So thank you guys for watching. As you guys see, I did forget to lock my toolbox, but we did lock it. We're walking here, Harbor Freight. This Harbor Freight's in the West Valley. It's kind of like in the suburbs. We were looking for the new angle grinder, that brushless angle grinder is supposed to have. All we do see is this dual port charger with the USBs. You got some bits up there, some impact drivers, and then we run into this light. It's the Bauer 20 volt light, I believe 200 and something lumen. And then we have the new for $17.99, the Bauer 20 volt USB charger. So basically you can charge your phones, use these batteries. That's the new 5 amp hour battery, $59.99, and that's the old 3 amp hour battery, which is the same size. Which is weird, you know, new cells, I guess, that they have upgraded cells. Yeah, we're still looking for that angle grinder and we can't find it, so you're pretty much looking at these tools, at the Hercules tools, and then they do have the titanium bits there for $22, so $22.99. So if you can't find any deals anywhere else, you can always find them here for $22.99. So it's just something to keep in mind. Let me know if you guys use any of these drill bits from Hercules. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys use any of this. I gotta buy myself a set and try them out. And then we had this table here, $9.99 for the extension cords. That's not a bad deal. And then we got some color changing lights. And then we have this flashlight. It rotates, I guess. $12.99. 250 lumen. So kind of interesting. We got the new oscillating tool blades. That's the carbide for $15.99. I just wish they came out with the kit. You know, it'd be nice to have a multi-tool kit here. You know, a name brand, Hercules or Bauer, a multi-tool. And then these are a little cheaper. You know, the Bauer ones for just under $10, $7.99 for that. That one's compared to that one's $15.99. So they do got the flap discs here, the metal sanding or grinding discs. They got them in the Bauer and the Hercules, so those are the fairly new too. And then they got the polishers. So yeah, these are fairly new too. They got that one for $109, and then they got that one for $89.99. So they got several different versions of that, and then they do have these pads. So if you guys need pads from another polisher, you guys could buy some here. I'm pretty sure they're compatible. So they got different pads, and they even got the attachment, the 6-inch attachment. And I was looking for some gloves, and it seems like they don't have any. So Bauer, this is the new one from Bauer. It's no pumping required. It is battery operated, so you do have to have those batteries, the 20 volt Bauer batteries. This is only 70 gallons per sprayer per charge. It says 1 gallon sprayer. I don't know about the 70 gallon, but you should be able to spray fill it up at least 10 times and spray that. Those are the new Yukon 5-tier storage rack. 6 feet tall, 16 inches in depth. You got the razor blades there. Now you got the copper wire lights. So warm white, that's the remote control right there. So you can control your decorations. Pretty nice little set for the holiday. So $7.99 for that. Now we got another Bauer light here for $12.99. So it's fairly inexpensive. if you already got the batteries. These are, I believe, 200 lumen, so it's not really a strong light, just to let you know. Don't expect a high beam out of that. Got some brushes there, some cheap brushes. Then you got a Braun 3000 lumen, and you got some more color and pathway lights there, 2 kit or 2 in a box. Then you got some security. Yeah, Harbor Freight's been stepping up the game here onto the security. They've been having all these lights, redesigning all these lights. Even the old ones that I have still work, so I still have the 60 LED and another one. That's the gun safe that they have. Really like this one. You can just put it under like a table or a desk, and you can pretty much have your device there locked up. That's the box there. A really clever, really nice device. I've got to try one of those out. Then we got some pliers. Yeah, definitely. Harbor Freight's a good place to get pliers. Doyle and Quinn. If you want to go cheaper, go Quinn. Still fairly decent. I still have mine. They haven't rusted yet. I throw them out there. You know, they get scratched. Sometimes they get left out on the outside of the elements, and still they're holding up pretty good. And I do have that kit. I bought it a few years back. The plastic seems a little flimsy. Not on this one though. It seems like they redesigned the casing. So this might be a little better deal here for you guys when you find a coupon. I know there's a 30% off coupon, but you do have to buy a toolbox to get 30% off any of these. If you guys want that coupon, I can either email it to you or post it in another video. But if you download the app, you should be able to see that coupon. So just download the Harbor Freight app. And that's the clearance section there. Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot of clearance here. And that jack is $87.98. It's like a transmission jack there. And that power is $35.98 and $55.98. So not really the best prices. It just depends on your store manager. You can talk to them, see if they'll lower the price. So $29.99, 750 lumens. That's the new one. It is a pocket floodlight. I did turn that thing on. It blinded me. It's so bright it blinded me. It's just like the big one. It's real bright. I mean, it doesn't look like that in the camera, but it's like super bright, and it's really small, so you can, just like it says right there, you can carry that in your pocket, or you can, put that under the car or something like that. And when you're working or when you're changing a light, that's a great device to have. Have one of those in your glove compartment, your glove box, in case you get a flat at night. That'll make your day a lot better, or your night. You got the hanging shop lights here, 10,000 lumens, 5500. The 5,000 and the 3,000. So these are linkable. That one's on sale for $29.99. You can link up to 8. So really good deal there. If you guys want to go and get that, that's a good item. That's the new one, the green Quantum, 588 lumens. It's the same thing as the old one. It's just different colors. I prefer just the black ones, to tell you guys the truth. Here's the new ones from Doyle. You got the 12-inch for $16.99 or the 10-inch for $12.99. That's the impacts there. And then we got some wires here with a nice case. So if you guys have a roadside assistance or service vehicle, might want to keep some heavy duty wires in your truck, or you guys have a diesel, I'm pretty sure those are good for diesels too. But yeah, they have some chargers here. I gotta try one of these chargers because I need some chargers for my batteries. And they had this light in stock, which I'd never seen it before. It does have 2 buttons here. One's for the top, and the other button's for the side. So really interesting. It is magnet and it is rubberized. You can see here's some nut drivers here for 7-piece. Here's the SAE, $49.99. There's coupons. There's definitely coupons out there. You just have to look for them. Like I said, sometimes they do run the 20% off coupons for these tools. So make sure you guys wait for that in case you want to get to a professional level. But if not, Doyle and Quinn are very good. These are the new ones that just came out. I actually went ahead and purchased these because we're going to be doing a tool review, so watch out for the video. Stay tuned. I also did another video, top 10 tool or top 5 tools that you can get with that 30% off coupon. I posted it yesterday, so if you guys want to check it out, go to my channel, Tool Head 147, and look at that video. But yeah, I do have 5 tools that you can buy with the 30% off coupon, which are under $10. And I believe today is the last day. Today, Sunday, is the last day for that coupon. Yeah, I bought these, and they're trash. Stay away from those. That's why I bought the Quince. That's a new one there. It's a compact cordless screwdriver set there. Really interesting here. If you guys do like a lot of or some work, you know, that requires smaller bits. So it does have like a little shank, so I'm pretty sure you can put different types of bits in there. It is a 19-in-1, as it says right there. It comes with a nice case. I do have the ones on the bottom there. I'll show you guys right there. So $7.99 for that. That's a good kit right there. The only thing is the case. The case actually broke, but other than that, fairly decent deal there. And then they have this one. I don't know if you guys ever dropped a screw or a nut or a bolt when you guys are working in an engine bay. And especially with the new cars, they have plastic and all kinds of wires and hoses and stuff like this. It's impossible to get that thing out. But this thing's really handy. You guys haven't imagined how many times this thing saved my butt off, basically. You stick that in there and just, you grab it and pull it out. And that thing's a lifesaver. I actually have 2 of those. I lost one, but I still have another one. Just keep it handy if you work to do DIY stuff. And same thing with this big magnet here. If you drop something, you can just pick it up with that thing. I would definitely consider a smaller one because you can fit it through the engine bay a little better. But that one's pretty good. $7.99 for that too. And they got the new charger, Viking. It's a 2, 8, and 15 amp controlled battery charger, so it's fully automatic. They say that the good ones are the old ones that they have, the dumb ones that you could say, not the smart ones. And they do have that table there with clearance. So if you're at a Harbor Freight, you see a table like that, that means it's clearance, as it is items. And that's the new pump that they have. The Dental Tools, shout out to him. He actually did a review on this pump, and really nice video he did. So $99.99 for that one. I'm pretty sure there's going to be coupons, like I said. That's another new one, drain cleaner there. It's a cordless drain cleaner. I do have the corded, which is around the same spot there. And then those are the knee pads, $54.99, really premium knee pads. You definitely want to invest in something like that to save your knees, save your legs, on the long run there. And then they have these, which I didn't know they have. They have spark alarms and carbon monoxide alarms, if you guys want to check it out. And I was looking at the masks section here. It looks like we're going to get some N95 or K95, whatever they call it, soon. So hopefully they can have those for us that work out in the field, where there's a lot of dust, if you guys do a lot of wood cutting or whatever in the field. Yeah, I've been trying to go to different stores and I have no luck in finding the N95s. I've been using just the regular masks as you see there for the $2.99. Then they have this one, the Icon for $14.99. Professional scraper set. Does come with some blades. It says 10 single blades included. Looks really nice. Then they got the new brushes that they got at Vanti, top of the line from Harbor Freight, supposed to be premium brand. Then they got the better ones, which is next step down here. It's those. Then they got the cheap ones at the very bottom. So here's another new one. Like I said, I did buy this one. Stay tuned for that video. I will be making a video on that, just on this little device. Maybe compare it to another one. Maybe compare it to another name brand. See how it works. So $9.99. It does qualify for that $10 30% off coupon that I mentioned. And I was looking for the smaller one, the Rafter Square. I just found the bigger one, but the small one does qualify for that the 30% off under $10. She's very premium made, well cut Rafter Square there. So, and yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are still watching this video, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.